Hello there and welcome to today's practice. Today I'm going to show you 3 Qigong exercises that you can do first in the morning to warm up your body, to get the energy moving and to get your day started. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kseny, and on this channel I share Qigong inspired videos, breathwork exercises and meditation to help you feel and do better physically and mentally. There's a lot to discover on my channel, but if you're looking for more structured videos or would like to join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. You can find more details in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Unlock your knees. Bring your tailbone slightly forward to help you relax and open through your lower back. You're moving from this position into this position. Keep your spine nice and straight, your shoulders relaxed, allowing yourself a little bit of space under the armpits. Bringing your chin slightly in to lengthen through the back of the neck. Aligning your entire body, fixing your posture so you can stand properly. The first exercise is called lifting the sky with both hands. Bend your knees as you interlace your fingers near your abdomen. Lift to the chest. Then rotate your palms, moving outward. Your eyes follow the hand. Shifting your weight a little bit forward, open through the front of the body. Then release the position, shifting your weight to full feet. Letting your hands relax through the sides. We'll repeat again. Bringing your hands up to the chest, rotate, slowly lifting up, shifting the weight a little bit forward. Release, open out to the side, relaxing your entire body. We're going to repeat a few more times. Incorporating your breathing here would be inhaling as you go up. Exhale as you release and soften down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Keep the movement natural without overextending. Inhale to stretch the front of the body, activating your feet, putting some pressure on your big toe. Exhale as you soften. One more time, breathing in. Breathing out. Take a moment here to relax. Maybe notice an effect of the exercise on your body. Paying attention to the physical sensations, especially down the front of the body. The next exercise is turn and look behind your shoulder. Fantastic exercise to open the chest, to restore the smooth energy flow in your heart center. Your hands are resting on the table in front of you. As you inhale, rotate your arms. Your eyes follow the hand and you look behind your shoulder. Release. Unlock your knees, relaxing through the lower back and return back to center. Again, breathing in. Rotate your shoulders, rotate your arms, turn your neck, looking behind. Soften here. Come back. Breathing in as you open. Breathing out as we relax. Let me show you the side view. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in once more on each side. Breathing out. And one more time, breathing in. Breathing out. Relax your hands by the side. Take a moment here to notice the effect of this exercise. It's quite beneficial for the heart and the lungs. If you have tight chest, tight muscles, in your rib cage, this is quite helpful. Good. The next one is a forward bend to stimulate and strengthen your kidneys in the lower back. Bringing your hands out through the sides and then down the center of your body. Flip your palms as you slide across, placing your hands directly over your kidney area and the lower back. Push your lower back forward, stretch the front of the body, look up. Release gently. This is the moment when you make your lower back relaxed, neutralizing that curve. From here, go forward, letting your hips slide back. Allow yourself to go deeper towards your thighs. You don't have to push yourself, just comfortably moving forward. Feel free to brush your toes or stay somewhere along the way. Take a moment to elongate and lengthen through your spine. And then sliding your hands up the front of the legs, through the groin, returning back to the abdomen. Inhale as you raise your hands up. Exhale down. Breathing in as you slide your hands across. Exhale as you push forward, look up. Inhale, slowly come out. Exhale, forward bend. Here is a little trick for you. As you go forward, keep 70% of your weight towards the heels. In that case, it feels like you're actually folding forward rather than bending forward. You will find that your lower back allows you to go a little bit deeper if you're shifting your weight towards the back. And then slowly come back up, finishing, relaxing as you exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in as you transition. This feels great. And then exhale. Opening through the lower back, relaxing into your stretch without forcing or straining. Inhale as you come up. And exhale as you soften. Very good. Then bring your feet together. We're going to finish with the centering exercise, gathering the chi and let it settle. Get yourself grounded, centered, and fully present. Inhale. Exhale. Palm is facing down, guiding the energy towards your abdomen, towards your lower dantian. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Focus your attention on your breath. Making your inhalation and exhalation even. Relaxing into your body and letting your mind settle. Inhale once more on each side. Breathing in. Breathing out. Place both hands just below your navel. Notice how you feel. If you have time, just spend a few more seconds here, simply being aware, being present. And notice the effect the exercises made on your body. Relax your hands to the side and finish your session. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope this was helpful. I hope you felt the benefits, stretched a little bit, got the energy moving, and feel better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel so you get notified whenever I upload the next video. Until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button on the screen to make sure you don't miss any future videos or live streams. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep well, and I'll see you soon.